Hello guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing this shipments. It has been done before, like we have been able to cover a video on how to design it, how to use the script. But today we are going to be doing a quick overview because there are some parts that we didn't touch. So we are going to be touching it and I'm going to be tagging that video under this description. So let's go. There are some important parts that we didn't touch. One of the most important and you are going to hear it at the end of this video. So first of all, this is our script. This is what we get. This is what we have for our script. As you can see, it is nice. It has frequently asked questions. It has the part for testimonials. The part of testimonials also has they have ratings and so on and so forth. Every part of this controls every part of the contact information you can control from the admin. Literally every part of this script you can control from the admin. Let's see the admin. This is our admin link. Let's see what we have inside our admin, which is one of the reasons why we are reviewing it again. It's going to be a really short video. So one of the things that we didn't get to review, which is a selling point and which is a very important point on this shipment script, is the pop-up. We'll call it the delivery pop-up. But before we get there, let's see what we have on this part. Let's carefully look at it. So you can change the site name, you can change the site email, the phone number, the homepage URL. So you can choose to use something else for the homepage URL and put it in a folder in your website and put the link of that folder inside your homepage URL. This is there. Support email. So we have more than one emails there. The phone number, we have more than one phone numbers there. Favicon and the site logo, which you can upload on it. Now the addresses, you can put the address here. The copyright dates, you can put it there, and any other small write-up you want to put with it. You can set up your SMTP here. You can set up your SMTP, the host, the password, everything from here. You don't have to go into the code to do that. The colors you can also change from here. So this is what we do here. When we produce scripts, actually make sure that you can actually like do everything from the admin. You have total control, so that even though you are a beginner, it is easy for you to just connect your database and come to the general settings. Just do everything you have to do. So if you are not okay with the colors, you can tweak you can tweak up the colors from here. Also, your translator is also very active, a very good selling point of this script. Also the live chat, you just come, you put in your live chat code here. So you literally have to do nothing, or let's not say nothing. Okay, let's say out of 10%, let's say 1 to 10%, you do just maybe 2% of the work from the code, yeah, and the rest 8% is from this part of this. So you have to set up, get your admin link, which you can see /admin, yeah, get your admin link and you're good to go. So this is it for the smart up, or let's say live chat. I prefer to use smart up. Now let's go to the delivery notification pop-up, which is this. So once you click on it, you click on save settings, which is one of the reasons why we're here. Now it's not just about the notification pop-up. There are other beautiful things that you can actually edit it from here, from this settings, as you can see. So let's see what the notification pop-up is. So let's refresh this page. So just imagine someone comes into your website and seeing that someone just received their envelope, doorstep, seeing another one, someone's package has just been delivered, someone else sees another name, this person just delivered to, you see, it's showing status, showing real time, showing it that this delivery has just been done, this delivery has just been done. That's what it's showing, as you can see it here. Now, for people that have not seen the tracking, let's go to, let's track one code. So let's say manage tracking. Let's take this and paste. All right, so this is what we have for our tracking. For those that have not seen it, under the description of this video, it is the main video of how to install it is there. Also under the description is the quick verse for your hosting. So you can get your hosting on quick verse and so you can search it like this. Reliable hostings, support is fast. Now on the description is my number. On the description is also quick verse and also a coupon code to actually check out from Quickverse. Yeah, so if you want this script, you can reach out to me for this script. You can send a DM, or you can get it from the link below. Thank you very much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.